Okay, hello, it's my third recording today, and this time I would like to reflect on week 2. I decided just to use Padlet screenshot when where I decided to collect all proposed activities, and then I'm going just to answer questions. What step did you take? So I did all tasks that Nelly proposed for us, so I just started with 2 documents in Google Docs. Did you face any challenges? Yes, because it's not easy to start cooperation with a group, and we've got different experiences, and sometimes it's not very easy to guess who should start. But finally, I think we did quite a lot, and now I think we can understand much more better each other. If so, what challenges did you face? So I mentioned that it's some kind of misunderstanding who should start and what we are expected to do. I think that the responsibility is also on the teacher's side, because especially in my case, that I've got people over 70 or 80. I need just to be very precise and just to ask them for a short task to prepare. I also mentioned that it's not easy in my case to do what I want. I should follow their likes, and my students, they really prefer learn what they want, what they are interested in. What challenges do you expect your students to face? I think in our case, when I'm thinking about using Google Docs, it's the most important is just to start with them opening the Gmail email, which is not also very obvious for them. On the other hand, of course, it's possible to use other emails, but then not all of those we can use together. So it's much better just to, in some way, force your students to have Gmail addresses as a second. They can be also not the first addresses. How will you deal with them? So that's what I propose. I will try to kindly ask my students to start with Gmail addresses. What did you learn about yourself as you worked? What I learned. So I learned that it's not easy to find a time that I can make recordings, because this is just rebuilding in my home, in my flat now, so it's not very easy to find a time that it's not noise at all. How will you use Google Docs with your students? I'm really happy that we collected all these proposed activities in this Padlet, because I'm going to use all of them. Especially writing stories with my students can be quite interesting, and probably they will be interested in to join such activities. So the list of activities are on this Padlet, so I think I will just go for it very many times in this year. Thank you very much for your attention.